I'm Dudley Foster, and I was an ALVIN pilot and worked with the ALVIN group for about 35 years, from 1972 to 2008 when I retired. Well, I was lucky enough during those 35 years to participate in a lot of the well-known discoveries that ALVIN's made. I worked on the Mid-Atlantic ridge dives, where sort of the theory of plate tectonics was confirmed from that research. I made dives on the Titanic, which is really the only wreck we ever dove on. We don't typically dive on wrecks. So they knew basically where it was, but we made the first manned dives to it. So it was no surprise when we saw it, because we knew what we were looking for. We knew where it was supposed to be, but it was certainly impressive. On our first dive to it, we sort of accidentally bumped into it because we'd stirred up a lot of sediment and our sonar had stopped working. So we were in this big cloud of dust, and as it cleared, we could see this giant black hole right in front of us. So we knew we were there, but we had to go home immediately because our batteries were having problems also. So that first dive, we really didn't get to look at it too much, other than confirming, yep, that's it, and that's where it's at. So the subsequent dives went right to it. And then later on, I made the dive that found the first black smoker, which was really incredible. So a lot of stuff I've seen over the years and done, and it's been really exciting working with the scientist community. They're always fresh, brilliant minds trying to answer great scientific questions, so it's been a lot of fun. Sometimes hazards you might get into that you're worried about, but in general, you're so preoccupied with the science research you're doing and the samples you're trying to get and trying to navigate around on the bottom, you really don't think about it. It's just sort of a day's work, although it's a pretty unique day. One of the interesting things about science is the discoveries seem to be they come very slowly. You find something unique, interesting, and it may be years before you really appreciate or understand what the significance of it is. So on a day-to-day basis, other than seeing something really visually startling like giant tube worms and black smokers, a lot of the discoveries are sort of subtle at first, and eventually people understand what's going on and the significance of it, maybe the implication of life on other planets. So the great results take a while to ferment.